Assalamu alaikum guys and hello to everyone. My name is Mohammed Ahmed. I live in South Africa. I am 6 years old. I am in grade 1. My favorite fruit is strawberry. I like to eat pancakes a lot and I like to eat ice cream. I like to play with robots. In this channel, I'll be showing you crafts and other more things, and we'll have some more fun. You'll learn from me. In this channel, I'll be showing you how to make crafts, educational, and lots of more. My brother name is Mikhail. He'll come in some of my videos. Let me show you him. He is my brother. Hi, Mikhail. He likes to have fun every time. If you like my video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and subscribe and comment down below what you like in my video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!